Children's Citizen I in class 6 in St. JPS Peltha Road, Bania. Today I am going to show you science project given by Lucky ma'am. Fiber to fabric. Firstly, we know fibers. Fiber are spinned to make yarns. There are two types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fiber have two kinds, plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber example, cotton, flax, coir, jute. Animal fiber example, wool and silk. Synthetic fiber example, nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. Cotton. Cotton fiber does not burn quickly. Cotton is natural fiber. Wool fiber gives the smell of burning. Nylon fiber catches fire quickly. Nylon fiber is slippery to touch. Jute. Jute fiber is obtained from jute plant. This is the life cycle of moth and burning of flames over candle flame. These are some pieces of different kind of fibers: cotton, bandhari, wool, jute, nylon, silk, cotton and Banarsi silk. Thank you. Have a nice day.